zip line.
Zip line? Is Daddy the zip line?
Zip line.
Hey, we need shoes on. What are we doing?
Pull.
Pull you out?
Pull.
I feel like you're gonna crash.
Oh, my pants.
Oh my God.
Oh, my pants are falling up.
That was a great intro.
You love that?
Yeah.
Silly.
Yes. I love the one you pants fell off.
That's pretty funny.
There you go. So you can get out?
Because I'm so scared of those steps.
Yeah. How's the drive going?
Good.
You having fun? Stuck in the tree? Kyson, what are you doing in the tree, dude?
I think going that way.
Are you being safe? Beautiful sunset, huh? Going back to the camper. Beautiful. I haven't actually talked to the camera, I don't know today. But we made it to a good spot to stay tonight. Finally got propane in it. It's a gorgeous sunset right now. Such a good little spot. Kids are climbing in trees. Yay! It's gonna be a little chilly tonight, but we were just so done with driving, so we'll get to warmer weather tomorrow.
I don't know what's happening inside.
Do you want to get inside?
Yeah, and
See what's happening? Gonna ask Dad, say what's happening.
What's happening?
Just checking. Did you ever sure everything's okay?
Sticks?
I don't know where that stick came from.
I put it in again.
You brought it.
Yeah. Bye bye.
What you doing? Oh goodness. Woohoo! I think we had our first crash. Are you okay? Did you tip over? Too steep right there? And try again? Good job! Good job! Oh, goodness. Okay, go for it.
I need the flop off so I won't crash.
Oh, okay. Now are you ready to go?
Yes.
Peace out. Oh, goodness gracious. Woo! Woo-hoo!
Kyson, quit crashing.
Come and get me! attempting to level out the camper. I like downloaded a level app, and then I realized like what should I put it on, because like nothing when you're building a camper is perfectly level. Jumping in the driver's seat. Yay! Oh goodness. This old camper is funny. Oh, it feels so level.